In this video, I'll show you how to remove a payment method from Facebook ads. If you no longer want to use a card, PayPal account, or another billing option for your Meta ads, you can remove it directly from your ad account settings. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your business or ad account. Once you're inside, make sure you select the correct ad account, especially if you manage more than one business or client account. Next, open the main menu and go to Billing and Payments. This is where Meta shows your payment methods, current balance, invoices, transaction history, and billing settings. Inside the billing area, look for payment methods. You should now see the cards, PayPal accounts, or other payment options connected to your Facebook ads account. Find the payment method you want to remove and click the three-dot menu or remove option next to it. If Meta allows you to remove it, confirm the action. The payment method will be deleted from your ad account and will no longer be used for future ad charges. If you don't see the remove option or Meta won't let you delete the payment method, there are a few possible reasons. The payment method may be your primary payment method. Your account may have an unpaid balance, or your ads may still be running. In that case, add a new payment method first. Set it as the primary option, pay any outstanding balance, and then try removing the old one again. You should also pause any active ads before removing a payment method if you don't want Meta to keep charging your account. Once your campaigns are paused and your balance is clear, removing the payment method should be much easier. After removing it, go back to the payment methods section and double-check that the old card or payment option is no longer listed. If you plan to keep running ads, make sure another valid payment method is connected so your campaigns don't stop unexpectedly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove a payment method from Facebook ads. The main steps are simple. Open Ads Manager, go to Billing and Payments, find your payment method, remove it, and add a replacement if Meta requires one. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Facebook ads, Meta, and digital marketing tutorials.